What is chemical engineering? I'm a high school graduate student and I'm going to study chemical engineering course. Hi, in this video I will share the career descriptions, expected skills needed to be a chemical engineer, internship, salary, employment, and misconceptions of chemical engineering. If you ask me to describe chemical engineers, I would say that chemical engineers are responsible to combine the knowledge of chemistry with engineering. They need to design the process and equipment for better quality of products and make professional judgment to make sure that the design is practical and environmental friendly. Are chemical engineers working alone, like finishing the task and then handing it to the boss? In real life, they are not. They work in a team, and even in college, the learning environment is friendly. They work with the teammates and do discussions. Chemical engineers have to work full-time and even additional hours to meet the targets. They may be also exposed to health hazards, but however, these exposures can be avoided if proper procedures are followed. Does chemical engineering suit you? What are the expected skills needed to be a chemical engineer? Chemical engineers have to be good at analyzing and troubleshooting problems. They have to be patient, detail-oriented, and innovative. Math skills and communication skills are also important. Another question is here. What should I do after I get a bachelor degree? Am I being hired directly? No. Reality is rarely cruel, and you may get rejections if you have no work experience. Therefore, the experience of joining an internship program is really helpful. You can search for company, better a big ones, to join their internship programs. For most universities, they will provide the opportunities for the student to join these programs. So you can just check with the staff and then get a list of the company available. For those who want to specialize in consumer products, you can join food companies such as Nestle or Dutch Lady, or beauty companies such as L'Oreal. For those who are interested in scheduling and planning, you can choose Shell or Dow Chemical Company, etc. You can search for the current positions offered by the foreign companies or local companies. You can try to use the website Glassdoor or JobStreet, which I think they are pretty good in job searching, and try Google search for the top list of the companies and then make your decisions on where you want to work in the future. Are chemical engineers highly paid? Yes, their annual wage is about $100,000 and chemical engineers held about 34,300 jobs in 2014, which is a quite high number. Firstly, the majority, especially the high school graduates, think that chemical engineers are different from other engineers. They mainly focus on chemistry. However, chemical engineers focus more on maths than chemistry. Secondly, most have wrong perceptions that chemical engineering undergraduates can only work for chemical engineers. However, there are many sub-careers that they can work for. For instance, architectural and engineering manager, biomedical engineer, chemical technician, chemist and material scientist, nuclear engineer, occupational health and safety specialist, process engineer, and facility engineer. Personally, I think that biomedical engineer is the best career. It is because its job prospects are relatively favorable because of the rapid advancement of technology and its applications to the medical equipment, and also the awareness of the healthcare issues. However, this is only applicable to the developed countries. In contrast, I think that the nuclear engineer is the worst. It is because its job prospects are relatively limited when comparing to the others, and the working environment is not friendly because they may be exposed to the hazardous material such as the radiated material. All of these are my results from my own findings. Hope that they are helpful.